Pretty simple, so just follow the step until the end. Don't skip this video because if you skip, you guys are gonna get confused by missing some important points I'm gonna be telling you guys, alright? Basically, before deleting your Cash App, just remember this. Cash App is a money related app, so every transaction you guys have done, its history is gonna be stored in Cash App server. And just deleting your Cash App account is not gonna delete those information. Cash App needs to store those information for legal reason. So if you delete your Cash App account, that doesn't mean your information from Cash App is gonna be deleted. Alright? So just keep that in mind. But remember, if you delete your Cash App account, the information is gonna be lost from you, which means you can't recover it again. It is gonna be stored in Cash App, but you can't receive it again. Alright? So just keep that in mind. Alright? So be prepared for that. First step, you click on this little icon at the top right corner. You go on over here where it says support. Wait for some time until it loads up. And over here, what you want to do is something else. And over here where it says account setting, click on it. Over here, you want to click on close your Cash App account. Wait for some time. And over here, click on confirm. And our Cash App account will be deleted. Which I don't want to currently do right now. But if you want to do it, you got to click on this confirm button, alright?